In this video, I will show how to set assignment due dates in your course in Canvas. Within your course, navigate to Assignments. Within Assignments, click the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and select Edit Assignment Dates. Once on this screen, you will have the ability to batch set your dates. You want to make sure you're filling in the due at column, not the available from and available until. Select the due date for each of your assignments. And don't forget, if you're down at the bottom of the page, scroll back up and click Save before navigating away from this page to ensure that your changes are set. As a side note, if you add dates to your available from and available until columns, this will prohibit students from submitting items early or submitting items late. We recommend that you use only the due date by filling in the due at column. To check your work, navigate to Modules, scroll down to see your assignments, and now you will see a due date associated with those items. As always, if you need assistance with teaching tasks or anything else, visit our website. Have a blessed day.